Welcome! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard the term everywhere, from news headlines to your favorite apps. But what exactly is AI? In this video, we'll break down the basics, explore how AI works, and look at its impact on our daily lives. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, this journey will help you understand what makes AI such a revolutionary technology. Let's start by defining what AI really means and why it's become such a buzzword in recent years. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of machines or computer programs to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Unlike traditional computer programs that follow strict instructions, AI systems can adapt and improve over time. This adaptability is what sets AI apart and makes it so powerful in a wide range of applications, from voice assistants to self-driving cars. The concept of AI isn't new. In fact, the idea of creating machines that can think dates back to ancient myths and stories. However, the formal study of AI began in the 1950s, when scientists started developing computers that could solve problems and play games like chess. Over the decades, advances in computing power and data availability have fueled rapid progress. Today, AI is a vibrant field that continues to evolve, with breakthroughs happening at an unprecedented pace. AI comes in different forms, ranging from simple to complex. The most basic type is called narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task like recognizing faces in photos or recommending songs. On the other end of the spectrum is general AI, a theoretical form of intelligence that can understand and learn any intellectual task that a human can. Most of the AI we interact with today is narrow AI, but researchers are constantly working toward more advanced systems. One of the most fascinating aspects of AI is its ability to learn. Unlike traditional software, which follows fixed rules, AI systems can analyze data, identify patterns, and improve their performance over time. This process is known as machine learning. By feeding large amounts of data into algorithms, AI can learn to recognize images, translate languages, or even predict future trends. The more data it processes, the smarter it becomes. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on building systems that can learn from and make decisions based on data. Think of it as teaching a computer to recognize cats in photos by showing it thousands of cat images. Over time, the system learns the features that define a cat and can identify them in new pictures. This approach powers many of the AI applications we use every day, from spam filters to recommendation engines. Deep learning is a specialized branch of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to process information. Inspired by the human brain, these networks are made up of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons. Deep learning has enabled major advances in areas like speech recognition, image analysis, and natural language processing. It's the technology behind many of today's most impressive AI achievements. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a field of AI that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This technology is what allows virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa to understand your voice commands and respond appropriately. NLP is also used in translation apps, chatbots, and even tools that detect spam or analyze sentiment in social media posts. Computer vision is another exciting area of AI. It enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos. This technology is used in facial recognition, self-driving cars, medical imaging, and even in your smartphone's camera to enhance photos. By analyzing visual data, AI can identify objects, track movements, and even detect anomalies. AI is already a part of our daily routines, often in ways we don't even notice. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to smart home devices that adjust lighting and temperature, AI is working behind the scenes to make life more convenient. Even your email spam filter and your phone's autocorrect feature are powered by AI. As technology advances, AI's role in our lives will only continue to grow. In healthcare, AI is making a significant impact. It helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, predicts patient outcomes, and even assists in developing new medicines. AI-powered tools can analyze medical images, monitor vital signs, and provide personalized treatment recommendations. These advancements are improving patient care and saving lives around the world. AI is transforming transportation, making it safer and more efficient. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions. In logistics, AI optimizes delivery routes and manages fleets, reducing costs and improving reliability. Public transportation systems also use AI to predict demand and adjust schedules, ensuring smoother commutes for everyone. The finance industry relies heavily on AI for tasks like fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, spotting unusual patterns that might indicate fraud. They also help investors make better decisions by predicting market trends and managing portfolios more effectively. Entertainment platforms use AI to personalize your experience. Streaming services recommend movies and shows based on your viewing history, while music apps suggest songs you might like. Video games use AI to create smarter opponents and more immersive worlds. Even content creation, like writing and video editing, is being enhanced by AI tools. AI is changing the way we learn. Intelligent tutoring systems can adapt lessons to each student's needs, providing personalized feedback and support. AI also helps teachers by automating grading and identifying students who may need extra help. With AI, education becomes more accessible and effective for everyone. Businesses use AI to streamline operations, improve customer service, and make better decisions. Chatbots handle customer inquiries, while AI-powered analytics provide insights into market trends and consumer behavior. Automation tools help companies save time and reduce costs, making them more competitive in today's fast-paced world. Security systems are becoming smarter with AI, from surveillance cameras that detect suspicious activity to cybersecurity tools that identify threats. AI helps keep people and data safe. These systems can analyze patterns, recognize faces, and respond to incidents faster than ever before, making our world more secure. AI is revolutionizing the way we communicate. Translation apps break down language barriers, while smart email filters keep our inboxes organized. AI-powered chatbots provide instant support, and voice recognition systems make it easier to interact with devices. These advancements are making communication faster and more efficient. Smart home devices use AI to make life more comfortable and convenient. Thermostats learn your preferences, lights adjust automatically, and security systems monitor your home. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home use AI to understand commands and control connected devices, creating a seamless living experience. Online shopping platforms use AI to recommend products, predict trends, and personalize the shopping experience. AI analyzes your browsing and purchase history to suggest items you might like. It also helps retailers manage inventory and optimize pricing, ensuring a better experience for both shoppers and businesses. Farmers are using AI to increase crop yields and reduce waste. AI-powered sensors monitor soil conditions, weather, and plant health, providing real-time insights. Drones and robots use AI to plant seeds, apply fertilizers, and detect pests, making agriculture more efficient and sustainable. AI is helping to protect the environment by analyzing data from sensors, satellites, and weather stations. It can predict natural disasters, monitor pollution, and optimize energy use. These insights help governments and organizations make better decisions to preserve our planet for future generations. Manufacturing industries use AI to automate production lines, detect defects, and predict maintenance needs. Robots, powered by AI, can assemble products with precision, while sensors monitor equipment for signs of wear. This leads to higher quality products, reduced downtime, and lower costs. AI is not just about numbers and data, it's also fueling creativity. Artists and musicians use AI to generate new ideas, compose music, and even create visual art. AI tools can analyze styles, suggest improvements, and help creators push the boundaries of what's possible. Sports teams use AI to analyze player performance, develop strategies, and prevent injuries. AI systems process data from games and training sessions to identify strengths and weaknesses. Coaches and athletes use these insights to improve performance and gain a competitive edge. The legal field is adopting AI to review documents, predict case outcomes, and assist lawyers in research. AI can quickly scan thousands of pages for relevant information, saving time and reducing errors. These tools help legal professionals focus on more complex tasks and provide better service to clients. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming customer service. They can answer questions, resolve issues, and provide support 24/7. By handling routine inquiries, AI frees up human agents to focus on more complex problems, improving overall customer satisfaction. Social media platforms use AI to recommend content, detect fake news, and moderate harmful posts. AI analyzes user behavior to personalize feeds and suggest new connections. It also helps keep communities safe by identifying and removing inappropriate content. The energy sector uses AI to optimize power grids, predict demand, and manage renewable resources. AI systems analyze data from sensors and meters to balance supply and demand, reduce waste, and lower costs. These innovations support a more sustainable and reliable energy future. AI is playing a crucial role in space exploration. It helps scientists analyze data from telescopes and spacecraft, navigate rovers on distant planets, and even search for signs of life. By automating complex tasks, AI enables missions that would be impossible for humans alone. During natural disasters, AI helps emergency responders by analyzing data from satellites, drones, and social media. It can predict the path of storms, identify areas in need of help, and coordinate rescue efforts. These capabilities save lives and speed up recovery after disasters. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand your voice commands and perform tasks. They can set reminders, answer questions, play music, and control smart home devices. These assistants are constantly learning and improving to better serve your needs. Autonomous vehicles, or self-driving cars, rely on AI to perceive their environment, make decisions, and navigate safely. Sensors and cameras feed data to AI systems, which process information in real time to avoid obstacles and follow traffic rules. This technology promises to make transportation safer and more accessible. Robots powered by AI are transforming industries from manufacturing to healthcare. These machines can perform repetitive tasks, assist in surgeries, and even interact with people. AI enables robots to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and work alongside humans safely. Logistics companies use AI to optimize delivery routes, manage inventory, and predict demand. AI analyzes traffic patterns, weather, and customer orders to ensure packages arrive on time. These improvements make supply chains more efficient and reliable. Marketers use AI to analyze consumer behavior, personalize ads, and measure campaign effectiveness. AI systems can identify trends, segment audiences, and recommend strategies for better engagement. This leads to more effective marketing and improved customer experiences. AI is a game changer in the world of gaming. It creates intelligent opponents, generates realistic environments, and adapts gameplay to your style. AI-driven characters can learn from your actions, making games more challenging and engaging. Personalization is one of AI's greatest strengths. By analyzing your preferences and behavior, AI can tailor experiences just for you. Whether it's recommending products, curating playlists, or customizing news feeds, AI makes interactions more relevant and enjoyable. AI is breaking down barriers for people with disabilities. Speech recognition, text-to-speech, and image description tools make technology more accessible. AI-powered apps help people navigate spaces, communicate, and access information, promoting greater inclusion and independence. Researchers use AI to analyze complex data, simulate experiments, and make new discoveries. AI can process information faster than humans, uncovering patterns and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. This accelerates scientific progress in fields from medicine to physics. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical questions arise. How do we ensure AI is used responsibly? Issues like bias, privacy, and accountability must be addressed. It's important for developers, policymakers, and society to work together to create guidelines that protect people and promote fairness. AI faces several challenges, including data quality, computational power, and interpretability. Training AI systems requires vast amounts of high-quality data and powerful hardware. Understanding how AI makes decisions can also be difficult, which raises concerns about transparency and trust. The future of AI is full of possibilities. As technology advances, AI will become even more integrated into our lives, transforming industries and creating new opportunities. Researchers are working on making AI more general, adaptable, and trustworthy. The journey is just beginning, and the potential is limitless. To sum up, AI is a rapidly evolving field that's reshaping the world around us. From healthcare and education to entertainment and transportation, AI's impact is everywhere. By understanding what AI is and how it works, we can better appreciate its benefits and navigate its challenges. The key is to use AI responsibly and harness its power for good. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of artificial intelligence. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of what AI is and why it matters. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the exciting possibilities that AI brings to our world.